gun into the airport, you get arrested. If you have a permit, that saves you from going to jail, but it is a violation of your permit.
Did you get the card in the mail yet?
I haven't got the card. That's what I need to get.
Unfortunately, it's to carry concealed firearm.
On November 19th, 2021, an officer responded to a TSA checkpoint at a Florida airport after screening detected a firearm in a passenger's carry-on bag. The passenger claimed to possess a valid concealed carry permit. Under Florida Statute Section 790.06, subsection 12, carrying a concealed weapon into an airport passenger terminal is unlawful, regardless of whether the individual holds a valid concealed carry license. The officer explains clearly, with a valid permit, the offense is a second-degree misdemeanor. Without one, it becomes carrying a concealed firearm, a third-degree felony under Florida Statute Section 790.01.
You don't have your ID on you, right? It's in the bag?
Literally right in the bag. It's never been loaded or anything. I completely forgot it was in there.
You do have a permit?
Yeah, I have the...
Where do you live in Florida? In where? Okay. All right.
And I got my registration in my...
Were you the one that was picking up the deputy?
That's why you and everything. I had no idea.
I will tell you, man, and I don't know what the sergeant's going to say when he comes here, but just so you know what's up, when you bring a gun into the airport, you get arrested.
Really?
Are you going to log on or are you going to log
You have
on?
a permit. If you have a permit, that saves you from going to jail, but it is a violation of your permit. Which time you'll have to... Just listen. Just listen.
Yes, sir. That's crazy. Okay.
Right? It's not the end of the world,
okay.
But shit happens, right? And you'd be surprised. It happens all the time.
Yeah.
So
I'm sure
I'm just laying it out for you. I'm just being straight up with you, bro. So just so you know, if you bring a gun into the airport, you physically go to jail. However, you live in Florida, that's good. You have a permit, freaking fantastic.
Okay.
So you don't go to jail, but what happens is you're subject to a fine from TSA. I don't know what happens with that. Okay, I don't have any idea what happens with that, so I won't even speak on that. I don't have any idea if there's any wiggle room, if you can slip any jabs. I have no idea. But I can tell you from the law enforcement side, it's simply a violation of your permit, which you just go to court and I would assume that you say, hey, listen, I'm sorry, and then you tell them what you told me, because I'm just, you know, I'm not judging the jury. All I do is just do, or the other deputy who's going to come just does the paperwork, as long as you have no warrants, and I'm sure you do not.
I have nothing, literally.
I'm sure. I'm just saying, we just do it for everybody, and then you'll be at the bank, but you do have a permit, right?
Yes, I have to call the guy who did all my information. And it's in my phone. All I have to do is call.
Listen, from here moving forward, well, hopefully this never happens again.
Yeah, it will literally never happen again.
Don't leave home without that permit, even if you don't have your gun on you, just in case, God forbid, you're in a position where you say, here's my permit. I don't know what they'll do. I don't know. So,
I was literally filming yesterday. That's the only reason my back.
I got
never been loaded, never had bullets in it, anything.
All right, just stand by, bro.
All right, bro. Damn.
What's up, bro?
Thank you.
CCW?
He says he's got it, but he doesn't have it on his possession.
Okay. You got a Florida CCW?
I need to contact the guy. It's in my phone. I need to contact the guy.
Do you have a Florida CCW? You have a Florida CCW?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I got registered in Florida. Got my fingerprints taken and everything.
Okay. Simple question. Do you have one in Florida?
This never happened before.
Okay.
So, all right.
Yes or no? Do you have one in Florida?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. That's all you got to say. I'm helping you. Where is the bag? Let's see the X-ray.
I think your last number.
Yep, 9170.
Your last name?
Porto.
I know your first name.
Yeah. Big shot. I'm getting you a case number also.
Okay.
Just continuing.
We're going to get you a case number. I'm going to get Cantor's number.
Hey, just relax.
I just hate
Relax.
Let me just get this out.
It's never been loaded, never had bullets in it, anything. Yeah, they got it.
Oop, I'll get that. Thanks.
Yeah. I'm going to take a picture. I got it. they're not in cover.
Is it in a holster or?
No. It's usually just laying down in there. I was shooting a skit yesterday, so that. Right in there. It should be just laying down right there.
It's not showing that you have a CCW, so what's the situation?
That's what I'm trying to call now.
Stop with the call. So did you apply for one?
Yes, I applied, and the guy said everything was good to go.
Wait a minute. What
And
guy said everything?
The guy who does the CWC.
Okay, so he submitted it for you?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't actually...
Fingerprints and everything. I've been meaning to get my
Son,
card.
let me give you some free advice. I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
ask you some questions. I want you to just answer the question.
Okay.
Okay? I don't need all the extra stuff. So, you applied for a CCW. Did you get the card in the mail yet?
I haven't got the card. That's what I need to get.
Figure it out. How long ago did you do that?
Huh?
How long ago did you do
Maybe
that?
4 months ago, 5 months ago. Wow. How?
Okay.
What we'll do is still try to verify it. But if it's not valid, then unfortunately it's a carry concealed firearm. And you're gonna, it's a felony. Yeah.
Wow.
Who is it that you were trying to call?
I was trying to call Ray, my frat brother. He's the one. He's the one that got me my CCC with the guy.
Ray did?
Ray, yes.
Your fraternity brother?
Yes, he's my fraternity brother.
What is he? Does he work for? Like, what do you mean
My
he got?
frat brother is a police officer.
And what do you mean he got? I don't understand when you say that he was helping to
So,
mitigate through the process.
No. A concealed weapons permit. I did the test. I did everything I needed to.
You did the class.
I can't hear you.
You took the class.
Yes.
Took the class.
I took the class and did
And you said
whatever
that they
forms.
fingerprinted you,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You said they did that?
Yes,
They
sir.
fingerprinted you?
Yes, sir.
You went to the range and shot the one round?
I went to the
with it?
range, everything. Yes, sir.
So if I said, I have a CCW, but I don't have it on me,
Yes,
is a
sir.
different response than I don't have it on me when you don't actually
right.
have one.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's my fault. I need
It's
to
like, I don't have my credit card on me.
The TSA is separately authorized to impose civil fines of up to $15,000 under 49 United States Code Section 46314. These penalties are assessed independently of any state criminal charges. When pressed, the subject admits he applied for a concealed carry permit approximately 4 to 5 months prior, but never received the actual license card. He completed the class and fingerprinting, but lacks the issued permit. This is the turning point. Applying for a concealed carry license and possessing one are fundamentally different legal statuses. The application process alone does not confer any legal authority to carry a concealed firearm. The officer illustrates the distinction with an analogy. Claiming to have a credit card that was never issued is not the same as leaving it at home. Without the issued license, the reduced misdemeanor charge is unavailable. The officer advises the subject to answer only the questions asked and stop volunteering information. He warns that saying too much could make things worse, effectively counseling a limited exercise of Fifth Amendment protections.
So you want your friend,
He can go ahead.
do you want him to take some of your stuff?
Yeah. Job.
You want to hold your money though? Or
I mean, do I need money?
It's not that, how much was in there?
Like $50.
No, I ain't gonna help you. So yeah, let him hold all your stuff. You got shoes, where's your shoes?
My shoes are in there. Right there.
Okay.
No idea, sir.
I understand that, and I appreciate what you're saying, but that's the bottom line, son. I mean, that's it. So if you want,
Yeah, take all my stuff, bro.
Okay, we'll hold your phone so you can make a call. Your jewelry.
Yeah, can I take all this off? I don't want any of my jewelry on.
Okay.
That's a good idea, actually.
Yeah. And take this off my wrist too. I mean my bracelet too. Oh, Jesus.
You're better than me. I would never be able to get that.
You just lift up the little hatch. Yes, sir. Can you call O? Oh, you're good, man. Don't worry about it.
The inspector's on his way up now.
Okay, okay. Thanks, John.
What did he say?
Their inspector is on the way up now.
I'm sorry, Sergeant. The inspector's on his way up. You got it. Thank you.
Just, remember I told you there's two sides to the house. Remember I told you that? You got the law enforcement side and then you have the TSA side.
Okay.
That's all he needs. His inspector's coming up just to talk that.
I appreciate you being so patient.
And we're, even though I may be sounding cold to you, I'm trying to be. The more you say, you know what they say? When you get in trouble, don't talk. So that's why I just wanted the answers to the questions instead of the explanations. I'm trying to help you out. Because when you start saying too much, then you dig yourself a hole. Okay? I have no idea. Excuse me, young lady. Can I trouble you? Come over here and help me with this.
That'll be
Yes, sir.
Our copy machine's not working.
Okay.
If you don't mind, I'll text it to you.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
AJ,
Okay, cool.
You just want to get him from Sorry's in?
Yeah, I'll take some.
Yeah, that's it's a nice chain, man.
It's a clamp. It's a clamp in the middle. You just lift it up, and then it'll come apart.
Very difficult. Like we've all been drinking.
Can Job take it off? He knows my necklace.
What's that?
Can Job take it off? He knows my necklace.
Oh, you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Hold on, if she can't get it. Yeah.
Wait, you copy 15.
We can't do this in concealed. This is embarrassing.
What about the bracelet?
Yes, ma'am. Can we take that out?
Just you're entitled to your opinion, but I think I've just been real nice with you.
Can his brother remove the
Yeah.
What do you say, sir?
What I was saying before he removes it, I think I've been real nice and just try to lay out everything for you, and just be upfront with you, and I know that deputy has. So for you to say it's just another black man,
No, that's how I feel. I hate being the stereotype.
But that's not nice to say.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Hey, Mike. Do you mind if he does it? If he takes something off?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's like, and you got one more air his current address.
Is this where you live? Are you at this?
I'm actually at, that's
Wow.
Yeah.
Here's his earrings too.
I'm actually at the now.
What's your address?
Yeah, that is a nice chain. Yeah. I mean, I gotta hand it to you. Oh wait, what about? Did you have something over here?
Don't forget the bracelet.
Yeah. What do you got? You able to get that? A screwdriver? Kidding me. He's gonna get it.
All right, so we'll take your phone. Your friends hold your stuff, and we got a couple of things of paperwork to do, and we'll get hopping. Okay.
All right.
All right.
You got it?
No, he can't seem to get the
It's easy.
bracelet.
Use it with your pinky. You can just twist it with your pinky now.
You got the chain. You don't have any other jewelry on you? Anywhere else?
No, sir. All my rings are off. All my jewelry's in the black. Okay, thank you.
No, he's taking everything.
Yeah, he's taking it. Sorry about this guy. Damn.
All right, we'll work on it later.
Yeah,
It'll be on your property. It'll be in your property. So, yep, and I'm heading downstairs. Oh, okay, why don't you follow me, and you can get all the information, and I'll get started too. Come with me.
Yes, sir, I'm following. What's your name, sir?
I'm Angelo.
Okay, Ben. All right. Wait. I'm with you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
Yeah, no, he's not going over. Let's go this way.
The subject comments about being stereotyped as another black man in the system. The officer responds with emotional intelligence, acknowledging the feelings, while asserting that his conduct has been professional and respectful. The subject faces dual consequences: state criminal prosecution under Florida law and federal civil penalties from the TSA. These two tracks operate independently and can result in both a criminal record and substantial fines. The subject was charged with carrying a concealed firearm, a third-degree felony, carrying up to 5 years in state prison. Had he possessed a valid license, the charge would have been a second-degree misdemeanor, maximum 60 days. The officer receives a grade of A-. He demonstrated exemplary transparency, accurately explain the law, advise the subject to limit self-incriminating statements, and handled a sensitive racial exchange with maturity. The subject receives a grade of D+. His fundamental failure was carrying a firearm without verifying his license had actually been issued. Cooperation and genuine remorse prevent a failing grade, but negligence carries consequences. Lesson: applying for a concealed carry permit does not authorize carrying concealed. The physical license must be issued and in the holder's possession before any legal authority to carry exists. Applied does not equal approved. Lesson: when contacted by law enforcement, exercise the right to remain silent. Volunteering information without legal counsel creates unnecessary risk of self-incrimination that can significantly worsen the legal outcome. Lesson: bringing a firearm into an airport terminal triggers both state criminal charges and federal TSA civil penalties of up to $15,000. A valid concealed carry license does not exempt anyone from this prohibition. Lesson: always carry the physical concealed carry license card when armed. Relying on a third party to confirm permit status is not a legal defense. Personal verification with the issuing agency is the only reliable confirmation.